My name is Courtney-Ann Wallace and I am the CEO of Shop Nakian Beauty, a Jamaican online e-commerce store, and today we're going to be talking about all of the supplements that I take in a day. The first supplement that I actually start my morning routine with is actually Biotin. Biotin is absolutely amazing for your skin health, your hair health, and your nail health. It helps your nails to grow a lot faster, it helps your skin to glow, it helps your hair to be extra thick, and it's also great for weight loss. Biotin also helps to maintain healthy blood sugar levels. The next supplement that I incorporate in my morning routine is actually Cod Liver Oil. Now, if you've been purchasing any products from us lately, you'll notice that you've had COVID cards inside your packages, and Cod Liver Oil is one of the supplements that we recommend that you take to boost your immune system in the fight against COVID. Cod liver oil is high in vitamins A and D and helps your immune system to fight off diseases, and it also helps your body to repair any current injuries, any muscle injuries, any tissue damage. The next vitamin I'm about to speak of is the holy grail of all vitamins, and that is vitamin C, guys. Ever since we were small, we've been told to take our vitamin C, and now I know why. Vitamin C is high in antioxidants, and it's absolutely amazing with assisting the body to help fight diseases. Personally, I take the dosage 1000 mcg per day. However, if you don't want to take so much, you can always go to your local pharmacy and get your 500 mcgs. The last supplement I'm about to talk about is my absolute favorite, and that, my friends, Probiotics. Currently, I've been taking my VH Essentials Probiotics infused with cranberry. You can get this product at www.nakianbeauty.com. Probiotics helps with digestion, it helps with heart health, it helps with eye health, it helps with mental health, and because the cranberry is infused in this specific product, it also keeps your urinary tract healthy. Now, probiotics is absolutely amazing for women as it helps to prevent future yeast infection, and it also helps with us being bloated all the time. Last but not least, probiotics is absolutely amazing to prevent cancer, and it also helps with your allergies and eczema. Well, folks, those are all the supplements I take in a day. So let's recap. Biotin, Cod liver oil, vitamin C, and my VH Essentials Probiotics infused with cranberry. I'll see you guys next time. Take care. Goodbye.